Good question today. Can a Fourth Amendment violation result in the suppression of murder evidence? Hey guys, my name is Anthony Bandiero, bringing you the Roadside Chat. I'm glad that you guys are here. All right, so what are the facts here? So we have an officer in Pennsylvania says, look, let's assume, right, that a police officer pulls over an out-of-state car, not registered for a registration violation or something like that. The officer has a hunch that there are drugs in the vehicle, no probable cause, just a hunch. We're not saying that the officer does or does not, but let's assume that the court finds that there was no probable cause to search the vehicle. The officer does not also get consent, searches the car, finds a dead person in the back of a vehicle, murder weapon is back there, and so forth. What can be the consequences? Is it possible that the evidence of the murder will be suppressed? In other words, can a Fourth Amendment violation result in the suppression of dead people? And the answer is yes. A Fourth Amendment violation may result in the suppression of any evidence, including dead bodies. In fact, there's only one thing that the Fourth Amendment will not suppress if the cops mess up, and it's living people. In other words, if police make an unlawful arrest of a person, they're not going to suppress that person from the case, right? But everything else is game, right? Dead people have been suppressed from the Fourth Amendment from criminal trials. Kids have been, dead kids have been suppressed from the in criminal trials because of the violation. Here's the Supreme Court weighing in. The exclusionary rule also prohibits the introduction of derivative evidence, right? Fruit of the poisonous tree, both tangible and testimonial, that is the product of the primary evidence, or that is otherwise acquired as an indirect result of the unlawful search, up to the point at which the connection with the unlawful search becomes so attenuated as to dissipate the taint. So at some point, the police have the black cloud over their head from, doing something wrong. But here in the case before us, certainly if the court believes that there was an unlawful search and there's no inevitable discovery, independent investigation, something else to save the evidence. If this is all we have, and we have only a few facts, so we're only going to answer what I have, then looking into the trunk without probable cause or consent is a problem. The court would actually have to find that it was a violation of the Fourth Amendment. So there you go. I hope it helps. I hope that this is not the case. I hope that somehow the evidence does come in. It would be a bad day, but the reality is that it can result in the suppression of evidence. All right. I hope I helped you get it right every single time. Keep up the good work out there, and keep your questions coming. Until next time, my friends, stay safe.